Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to teach you about gametogenesis. This is the topic of human reproduction. Gametogenesis, as the name indicates, gameto means gametes, genesis means production. Means production of gametes is called gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the process of production of gametes. You know that in human beings, male and female are different. Male produces male gametes and female produces female gametes. Male gametes is also called sperm, whereas female gamete is also called egg or ovum. The production of sperm in males is called spermatogenesis, whereas the production of egg or ovum in females is called oogenesis. Means you can say spermatogenesis takes place in males and oogenesis takes place in females. You know that sperms are produced within the testis. Testis contains spermatogonia cells. Testis contains various lobules. Each lobule contains seminal vesicles and seminal vesicle contains spermatogonia, or you can say male germ cells. Spermatogonia contains diploid set of chromosomes. They divide by mitosis to produce a large number of primary spermatocytes. Spermatogonia or male germ cells divide by mitosis to produce primary spermatocytes that are also diploid. These primary spermatocytes divide by meiosis. You know that meiosis completes in 2 steps. After meiosis first, it forms haploid number of chromosomes and the cells are secondary spermatocytes. These secondary spermatocytes after meiosis second forms spermatids. These spermatids matures, grows, develops into spermatozoa, or spermatozoa is also known as sperms. This is the process of spermatogenesis which takes place in testis. Spermatogenesis. It takes place in testis of male. This is the figure of oogenesis which takes place in females within the ovary. You know that ovary contains Graafian follicle, and within Graafian follicle the cell present is oogonium. Singular is oogonium, plural is oogonia. Oogonia is diploid cell. After mitosis, it produces a large number of cells that are called primary oocytes. Like here also mitosis takes place to produce primary oocytes. These primary oocytes again divide by meiosis, like this: meiosis first and meiosis second. After meiosis first, primary oocyte cells are changed to secondary oocyte and produce first polar body. This secondary oocyte after meiosis forms ovum. First polar body and here second polar body are produced. Means here keep in mind that each primary spermatocyte, one primary spermatocyte produces 4 sperms. But here one primary oocyte produces only 1 ovum. Not 4 ova eggs are produced. It gives 1 to 1. Here 1 to 4. One primary spermatocyte cells produces 4 sperms. This is the process of spermatogenesis. This is the process of oogenesis. Keep in mind what is the structure of sperm. You know that sperm is a very long fine structure which contains a head, middle piece, neck and tail. middle piece, neck, neck here, middle piece here, and tail. This one is head. Head is covered by acrosome. Head contains nucleus and acrosome contains an enzyme. That one is hyaluronidase, which helps in fertilization. This is the structure of sperm. Sperm is like this, and the secretions of various accessory glands with sperms combine together to form semen. What is the difference between sperm and semen? Semen is only the male gamete, and sperm is the only male gamete, and semen is the mixture of sperm and secretions of various accessory glands of male: seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and bulbourethral gland. They secrete a liquid which, when combines with sperm, it forms a semen. These are about the gametogenesis and structure of sperm. Okay, thank you.